Right, another day of campfire cooking on a magnificent day like today. Fire is looking good. It's just about ready to get some things on there to fry up. So let's get into it. All the ingredients for today's cook up are on the table in front of me. We're talking everything from ingredients, condiments, cutlery and crockery, utensils. We're sorted, we're ready to go. Let's get going. What are we cooking today? Burgers. We're cooking burgers. I love burgers, and that's why we're cooking them on the campfire, outside, in the sun. This is R&R County cooking. Okay, let's talk about everything you're gonna need for this concoction. Lettuce, tomato, burger slices, beef patties, and some burger buns. Everything else is optional. I'm throwing some certain spices in there, some certain sauce for the buns. You can change it if you want, I don't care. This is what I'm doing, take it if you want to, but everything else, just do it how you like it. That's the point of it, just cook it how you like it. So I'm gonna put the flat plate grill on the fire, get that nice and hot, so we can start preparing our ingredients and put those patties on, because they're not gonna take long at all with a hot grill. They're not gonna take long at all. So we're gonna get that on there, heat it up, prepare the ingredients, and then put it all together, and then eat, obviously, and then eat.
Every time I think I find a love that's true, I fall right back.
Right, grill's on, so all we're gonna have to do now, before we chuck them patties on real quick, prepare the lettuce and tomato. So we're just gonna finally chop up that lettuce, cut some beautiful slices of tomato, get our sauce ready, and we're pretty much done.
Time when I had everything, and once around my finger was a wedding ring, but like a fool I threw away the love.
Now what you would have seen there is all I did was a simple seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder. I did that before I chucked them on, and then again on top. And I also squished them down. Patties, what they do is they shrink as they cook. All meat does pretty much. So if you flatten that out, all of a sudden you're not gonna have this small rissole to throw on a bigger bun. Flatten them out, it's gonna stay a good size, and it's not gonna be too chunky as well. Okay, the last thing we need to sort is the sauce and the buns. We're going to quickly chuck these buns on, give them a quick toast while we make the sauce, and then we're ready to put everything together. Quick tip, don't forget about the buns, otherwise you'll set them on fire. All right, for the sauce today, pretty simple, just a nice burger sauce. All we're going to do is throw in some mayo, some tomato sauce, some mustard, salt, pepper, garlic. That's it, put it all in, stir it up together, lather it on your buns, and you're golden. Mayonnaise. Healthy dollops. Shit. Just about a teaspoon of mustard. Not one for serving sizes, so just do what you think will work. Put however much you want in. If you like something more than something else, put more of that in than that. Mix it up. Make sure you're really combining all of those ingredients. Let's get those buns off. Right, let's put all this together. Oh, this looks good. Get your bases. Healthy spoonful on each base. Spread it round. Yeah, look at that. I'm so excited to eat these. So excited to sit in front of that fire with my dog and just enjoy being outdoors and cooking some delicious food. You know what, I'm gonna put it on the burger heads as well, because we have the sauce, got the time, got the health, got the youth. Let's do it. Spread it round. Yes, yes. All right, lettuce on. Look at that, a perfect amount. Get that knife out of the way before I cut myself. Get that on. A couple slices of tomato. Jeez, not the best cutting. Who cut these? Now, patties on. Oof. Oof. Top on, and look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, thanks for watching another episode of R&R County Cooking. Thanks for sticking around. I'm going to enjoy these now, right in front of the fire, and you know I'm going to have it with a beer. Although the beer's optional, I'm going to enjoy it. Ah, that's hot, bud.